Why do 60% of crypto users struggle with sending USDT? Let's simplify it. Alright, let's dive in. Sending USDT or Tether can seem daunting at first, especially with all the different networks and steps involved, but don't worry, we're here to break it down for you in the simplest way possible. By the end of this guide, you'll be a pro at transferring USDT without any hassle. First up, you need a wallet with some USDT. This could be a hardware wallet, a software wallet, or even an exchange wallet. Make sure your wallet is secure and that you have backed up your recovery phrases. This is crucial to ensure the safety of your funds. If you don't have USDT yet, you can easily purchase it on most major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. There are different networks like Ethereum, Tron, and Binance Smart Chain. Each of these networks has its own advantages and disadvantages. For instance, Ethereum is widely used but can have higher fees, while Tron and Binance Smart Chain offer lower fees and faster transaction times. Understanding these networks will help you choose the best one for your needs. But don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Once you get the hang of it, choosing the right network will become second nature. Just remember to always check the network compatibility of the wallet or exchange you're sending to. Step 1. Open your wallet and select USDT. Now, choose Send. This is usually straightforward, but the interface might differ slightly depending on the wallet you're using. Look for the Send or Transfer option and make sure you have selected USDT as the currency. Step 2. Enter the recipient's address. That's the exchange you're sending to. This address is a long string of characters, so it's best to copy and paste it to avoid any mistakes. If you're sending to an exchange, make sure you get the deposit address for USDT from the exchange's deposit page. Make sure to double-check this. A single wrong character can result in your funds being lost forever. It's always a good idea to verify the address by checking the first and last few characters. A tiny mistake can send your funds to the wrong place. Double-checking might seem tedious, but it's a small step that can save you a lot of trouble. Some wallets even allow you to save frequently used addresses to make this process easier. Step 3. Select the network. For Ethereum, choose ERC20. For Tron, it's TRC20. And for Binance, pick BEP20. Each network has its own unique features and fees, so choose the one that best fits your needs. If you're unsure, check the recipient's instructions or contact their support for guidance. And for Binance, pick BEP20. This network is known for its low fees and fast transaction times, making it a popular choice for many users. However, always ensure that the recipient can accept USDT on the network you choose. Each network has different fees and speeds, so pick what suits you best. For example, Ethereum might be more expensive but is widely supported, while Tron and Binance Smart Chain offer cheaper and faster alternatives. Weigh the pros and cons based on your specific needs. Step 4. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Be mindful of the minimum and maximum limits set by the recipient. Some exchanges have specific requirements, so it's always good to check beforehand. Also, consider the transaction fees as they will be deducted from your total balance. Confirm the transaction details and hit Send. Double-check everything one last time: the recipient's address, the network, and the amount. Once you're sure everything is correct, go ahead and confirm the transaction. Your wallet might ask for a confirmation code or password, so have that ready. Boom! Your USDT is on its way. You'll usually get a transaction ID or hash that you can use to track the status of your transfer. Keep this handy in case you need to follow up with the recipient or your wallet's support team. Keep an eye on your exchange account. It might take a few minutes to show up. Transaction times can vary depending on the network and current congestion. If it takes longer than expected, don't panic. Use the transaction ID to check the status on a blockchain explorer. And that's it. Easy, right? With a bit of practice, sending USDT will become a quick and painless process. You'll wonder why you ever found it confusing in the first place. Now you can send USDT to any exchange with confidence. Whether you're trading, investing, or just moving funds around, you'll have the skills to do it efficiently and safely. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips. We're here to help you navigate the world of cryptocurrency with ease. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your crypto journey. Catch you later, crypto fam. Stay safe and happy trading.